Hi everyone, just shooting a quick little video in support of a concept we talked about in one of the sessions today about a STEM-based project building a school. I just want to talk about the way I cheated to get some scale to give the project a bit of a head start with kids, particularly younger kids not knowing how to create that scale. So I've got an image of Arana Catholic Primary, and all I did was I pressed print screen to capture that. And then if you go to Excel, the trick is to just click on the the top corner here to highlight all the cells. And then when that's selected, go down and make the height and the width of your columns the same. So you end up with the square grid. So ultimately, once you've done that, you'll paste your image, and your image is going to appear on top. And I'll just zoom out and do a couple of things to this image right now. And the first one would be to probably crop and remove things that I don't want. But other than that, once you've got your scaled image, you can apply a level of transparency to it. So if I make it transparent, and then a combination of that plus also maybe marking up the grid lines, you'll basically you'll get a whole bunch of squares. Now, depending on the scale and amount of definition, each square can be worth X amount of meters. I happen to know that the basketball courts are 28 meters in length. So using the basketball court's 28 meters in length, I can either expand this image to make sure that I've got 28 boxes along that basketball court, or use variations of that. So every centimeter or every cube is 5 meters, and therefore you tell the kids to build 5 blocks. So you'd print this off and give this as a bit of a cheat sheet. So I hope that might help for those of you looking to give your students a bit of a leg up with creating scale before building your Minecraft world. Okay, I hope that helps.